end the session.
The complementary strategy is called the Pacific Partnership Strategy. Its objective is to deepen USA ties in the Pacific Islands region. The Pacific Partnership Strategy complements the Indo-Pacific Strategy Plan that was rolled out in Fiji 2022.
The Indo-Pacific Partnership Strategy is the Biden-Harris administration's strategy for the entire Indo-Pacific region. Now that includes Northeast Asia, Southeast Asia, and of course Oceania and the Pacific Islands. And in that Indo-Pacific strategy, we stated our fundamental interest in re-engaging and rebuilding our historic ties with our Pacific Island friends.
However, the USA wanted to do more for their Pacific Island friends.
From our perspective, that wasn't enough. We wanted to show our partners in the Pacific that we understood this region not only to be critical, but to be unique and have a particular set of needs and interests that couldn't just be subsumed into a broader strategy that encompassed so many other parts of the region. So that's why we published the Pacific Partnership Strategy, which this is the first time any U.S. administration, any White House has published a strategy that is just focused on the Pacific, and it's an indicator of the fact that we are fundamentally invested in the success of our Pacific Island.
Dr. Mira further highlights how these strategies will benefit Papua New Guinea.
By having a government strategy like the Pacific Island strategy, we're telling the whole U.S. government that the Pacific Islands and that Papua New Guinea really matter to the president. And that matters because it helps us to start new programs, it helps us to gain new resources, and it helps us to gain the attention within the U.S. government that really results in us prioritizing our Pacific partners with PNG as a leader among them. See PNG as a leader, we're making sure that we can direct the resources and the attention that we need to really build this partnership for the long term.
Dr. Mira is part of the U.S. delegations comprising of senior leaders from the White House National Security Council, U.S. Department of State, U.S. Agency for International Development, and the U.S. Department of Defense. Malinta Yopolo, National EMTV News.